Hi, in this video, I will show you the functionality of share contract. After uploading a document, you have to scroll down to the recipients and message and then update the recipient details. So for the share contract to be enabled, you have to have more than one recipient. So let's have another recipient. As you see, the moment I enabled add more recipients, I have the share contract options open, and in another video I have explained you how to use set signing order. Now let me tell you the purpose of the share contract. On enabling share contract, the documents that what we want to send will be sent to both the recipients, and once after all the update is done within the document, the platform user will receive one single document which will have all the updates done by both the recipients. So I will give you an example. So the share contract will be best used when set signing order is enabled. So now that I have enabled share contract and set signing order, so this is the place where we will add field. So there are two options. I can either enable share contract at the previous page, or I can come to this document editing page and I can enable the share contract here. The moment I enable share contract, the recipients will be listed out. Let me say that now I want to add signature for the first recipient. So when I choose first recipient, the color will be the same. So you will be able to identify to which recipient this field belongs to. Now I chose the second recipient, I add another field, and as you could see, the color corresponds. When I send out this document, the first recipient gets the document first, would be updating the signature. Once the signature is complete, the system will automatically trigger the document to the second recipient to update the company field. However, when I disable share contract and send out the document, let's say the company and signature, both the recipients would get the document and both the recipients have to update both the fields. When the share contract is disabled, the platform user receives two different documents with two different updates. However, if you want to send out one document and all the updates to be done in one single document, you have to enable share contract. And if you want the document to be updated in certain sequence, so you may have to enable set signing order feature as well. After enabling and adding the fields, I have to send out the document. So this is how you use share contract feature.